The wife of late police informant Wandre Pretorius has been arrested and charged as the sixth accused in the murder of Emmanuel Mbenze, whose death became a key focus of evidence before the Madlanga Commission. Juan Marie Exton appeared in the Brakpan Magistrate Court on Thursday, joining five other accused, facing charges linked to Mbenze's killing. Pretorius, 41, died by suicide on February 7, 2026 at a petrol station in Brakpan, east of Johannesburg. His death came days after he survived an apparent assassination attempt outside his home in Boksburg. He had been identified as a person of interest and was the first person questioned by the South African Police Service following the murder of security company owner Marius van der Merwe. Exton's arrest brings the number of accused in the Mbenze murder case to 6. Among them is suspended Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department Deputy Chief Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi, who is appearing alongside former EMPD officer Keisha Lee Stolz, EMPD officer Adrian Mackenzie, SAPS officer Begokwakhe Sibande, and civilian corpus Janse van Rensburg. The state has classified the murder charge as a Schedule 6 offense and is opposing bail. Under Schedule 6 provisions, the accused must demonstrate exceptional circumstances before they can be released on bail. The bail proceedings were postponed last week after the defense challenged the state's decision to classify the matter under Schedule 6 and oppose bail. The case stemmed from the April 2022 killing of Mbenze, who was allegedly tortured and murdered at his home in Brakpan. His body was later dumped in a dam in Duduza near Nijal. Mbenze's murder resurfaced prominently during the Madlanga Commission, where witness D. Marius provided evidence about an alleged cover-up surrounding his death. Van der Merwe, who testified before the commission, alleged that Mkhwanazi was summoned to the scene after Mbenze was killed. He further alleged that Mkhwanazi instructed people at the scene to dispose of Mbenze's body at either a mine dump or in a river. Van der Merwe was himself shot dead outside his Brakpan home on December 5, 2025, weeks after appearing before the commission. His evidence about Mbenze's killing provided the victim's family with further details about what happened to him and helped shed light on a case that had remained unresolved for more than 3 years. Pretorius was also implicated in evidence presented before the commission. His death added another layer to a case that has increasingly come under scrutiny as investigations into alleged criminal networks and police corruption have unfolded. The 6 accused are now expected to make their case for release on bail despite the state's Schedule 6 classification and its opposition to their release. The bail application is continuing. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.